Guys, today I'm going to show you 3-step facial at home, but with this hair not done. I'm gonna actually tie them up properly so that I can be actually properly do my facial on my face. Yes, on my face. And I think I'm ready for the facial. So first come up to the first step, that is actually taking off all my makeup. So I'm gonna be just like taking all my makeup off with the help of my DIY makeup remover, which I will put a link down below. I know I'm gonna be getting a little bit messier over there, but it's okay. The first step of facial is actually taking all your makeup off, as you can see, but a lot of people don't do that, but try to do that, and that's how all my makeup actually looks like. The second step is taking the towel, and I have to actually swipe off my face so that there is no remaining makeup on my face, and the towel is actually hot, and this will as well gonna clog up my pores. Next I'm going to be taking this Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Illuminating Daily Scrub. I'm actually using this back to back for 2 years, and I'm really loving this. This actually makes sure that it actually scrubs my face really properly, and it actually smells like divine. So I'm going to be just first applying this all over my face, as you can see. And for scrubbing my face, I'm going to be taking this scrubber. It's a scrubber. It have like 4 seeds in it, as you can see, and it actually makes sure that it properly clean my face, and as well it actually increase the blood circulation on my face. And I have to like on this, and I will be actually massaging my face with the help of the scrubber properly, and I have to make sure that I go on all over the area really properly. For example, my cheeks and my forehead and cheeks, this kind of area, as you can see. And this will make sure that the blood circulation actually increases on my face. Facial is actually all about massaging, so you have to make sure that you massage it properly. But if you don't have the scrubber, then really don't worry, you have your fingers. Your fingers can actually play a good role more than the scrubber, trust me. So I'm going to be massaging my face properly, but gently. You have to scrub your face because you don't want to hurt your skin. You have to be gentle with the scrubbing. And I'm going to be massaging all over my face. And next I'm going to be taking the same towel, but this time I'm not going to be taking any hot water. I'm going to be taking the cool clean water. I'm going to rinse my face off with the help of this towel, and as you can see, my skin is already looking very clean. Next I'm going to be taking my moisturizing cream. For the moisturizing cream, I'm taking this Nivea moisturizing cream. This is my go-to moisturizing cream. You can take any moisturizing cream that you prefer. I'm going to be taking some good amount of moisturizing cream on my fingers, as you can see. And I'm going to be first applying this all over my face, and I have to actually massage my face really properly. And facial is actually all about massaging. You can take any kind of facial massage, but I feel that any kind of facial massage or cream doesn't work for me. It actually give me pimple, honestly. So you can take your regular moisturizing cream. I'll go like a circular motion first, as you can see, and as well I'm going to be doing a lot of steps so that it actually relieve my stress, because I get stress really easily. And I'm going to be go like a circular motion, and I'm going to be do the knuckling. It's called the knuckling. If you want the naturally contour cheeks, then you can do this step, as you can see. And as well I'm going to go on my eyebrow. This is going to give me a very gentle cooling massage. It will gonna cool my face. And then I'm gonna do some jawline massage, as you can see, with the help of my fingers. If you're dealing with like, you know, double cheeks than me, double chin than like me, then you can do that. And as well I'm gonna go on my brow. This will actually gonna relieve my stress, trust me. And I think I'm ready for taking off the cream from my face with the help of the same towel. I'm gonna be taking all my cream off with the help of this towel, and my face actually looking a lot more brighter, as you can see. So I have to take all of my cream from my face. Next is masking. For the mask, I'm going to be taking this all natural turmeric mask, which I'll show you guys a DIY on my channel. I'll put a link down below if you want to see that. So I'll be applying this all over my face. You can take any mask that you prefer. Even you can try any sheet mask that actually go with your skin tone and skin types. So I'm going to be applying this all over my face. This will make sure that it give me a brighter undertone, as well reduce my dark circle. As well, as you can see, I'm actually applying this under my eye. So yes, and the last tip, how could I forget the cucumber. I will try to place this over my eye, but it's gonna be a big fail. Ta-da! but you understand, right? So I'm going to be actually placing this over my eye, and then I will be waiting for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to rinse my face off with cool clean water, and then I'm going to moisturize my face. This is very important. Try to use any milk cream. I am taking the Johnson's baby milk cream, as you can see, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face. You can take your regular moisturizing cream, totally up to you. As you can see, I'm actually applying this, and that's how my skin look like. Baby butt. Just kidding. So that's how my skin look like. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you do so, make sure give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you like this. I'll be back in my next video, and please take care of yourself. I love you all so much. Bye bye.